up, everybody? What's up, 100% gang? And we back with another video. And today, basically, I just want to talk about a lot of people was been asking me in the DMs and shit, like how much it costs to cam, like you feel me, like how much, like they be asking me, giving them an estimate, and basically I'm basically just gonna make this video today. So I'm basically gonna tell y'all how much I paid for my cam, like how much it costs installing my cam, shit like that. So basically that's what I'm gonna do. And because everybody different, you know, and it also depends on what cam you get type shit, and then also it depends on like who you go to, and you know what I'm saying, shit like that. So for me, like my cam was around like so I got the whole kit, and I think my kit, I really don't want to lie to y'all, about like 2 bands, around like 2-3 bands maybe. I think it was around like 2-3 bands. Cause it was around like 2-3 bands, I think, some shit like that. But almost 3. I don't think it was 3. It was probably almost 3. But so it was that, and then you know my kit came with the cam lifter, Hellcat lifters. It came with MDS, you know, lockout, the phase limiter. It came with, you know, new gaskets, like all that. It came with all that stuff. So it came with all that stuff. So I didn't really have to source out too many parts. You feel me? Everything was right there. It was like a box, and I just handed it to the nigga, and I was just like, yeah, put this in there. But so yeah, that was that. And then for my install, it was my install was around like 2 bands too, maybe a little bit more, I think, because like I got, first off, I think, honestly, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I think the shop I went to, I think they overcharged me for the exhaust work, because when I dropped my car off to them, like I only had, cause I had cut my exhaust off, my stock exhaust off, so I only had it from the mids on back, you feel me? So all that was gone. And I already had the pipe work, you feel me? I had the stainless, I had the exhaust shit. So I give it to him, and then he's telling me, oh, it won't fit, bro, like blah blah blah. So they had to take it to the, you know, they called me and told me they was gonna take it to, but they didn't tell me the price when they did it. But I was like, all right, cool. Like I'm pretty sure, like bro, it don't cost that much to weld on the exhaust. Like I literally I paid like $150 to weld two mufflers on my shit. So like, you feel me? Like I don't know like what they had going on, but yeah, they welded my exhaust on, and I think that was like 3. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna look at my receipt. I should have looked at it before I made the video, but I'm gonna show y'all my thing, and I'm gonna look at it again. But I think they charged me $300 for exhaust work, and exhaust work don't cost $300. You feel me? So yeah, so that was that. That was like an extra $300 on top of my regular bill. So it was somewhere around there. You feel me? And so all together, you looking around like 5,000. You feel me? You looking at around like 5 bands. If you got 5 bands, that get you everything you need in the install. You feel me? But and then this is also the dilemma I also went through, because it was like, damn, 5. But now I'm looking at it, I'm like, damn, 5 bands. I probably could have got just I could have just upgraded my crankshaft and then bought a nitrous kit. You feel me? Just if I really want to like power, like, you feel me, I will have way more power than what I have now, even though it'd be more stress on the engine. Yeah, but you feel me? Like it's just different options you could go with that much money. But I just love the cam sound. I always wanted a vehicle that was cam, so that's why I did it, to be honest. So yeah, man. But so yeah, I say around 5 bands. Like 5 bands to get you good, it get you there, man. Like no cap. That shit, cause like I say it was 5 bands, maybe a little bit more. So and that shit'll get you squared away. But I was also, cause I also was talking to other people, and I told them how much I paid, and they was like, whoa, like they was like, dang, you got wax. But you gotta understand, like, I went to like a shop, you feel me? I didn't really like go to like a dude that I know, or I didn't know nobody. I didn't go to like a close friend, you feel me? So it was sort of that kind of deal, you feel me? So I should have paid cheaper. I most definitely should have not paid that much money, you feel me? But it is what it is. I paid it. It's done. They did a good job though, bro. Like they did a good job on my car, good tuning. Like but a lot of people was going to them, and they was doing a lot of good work, and they was redoing a lot of jobs that other people failed to do. You know what I'm saying? So and then that's why I went to them. They were highly recommended, stuff like that. But you feel me? You pay for what you get. You pay for good quality. So you feel me? And that's just what it is, you feel me? And I was able to take my vehicle back to him and get it retuned and stuff like that. But one thing I would say, bro, you need to get, I think you should get a Diablo Sport tuner first and then get your tune, because like now, like I done moved states and my tuner is way in Texas. So, and I got, you feel me? It was just like a dyno tune. I don't have no special hard drive. I don't have the SRT pages. So now it's like I can't really check my actual temperatures, and I can't check my data log. I can't data log, and I can't see my performances and see if, you feel me? Like I can't see certain shit, like important information that I need to know. So that's one thing I would say. So in the Diablo is like $600. So that's that. So, and that's basically a tune almost. You feel me? So that's extra money you're gonna have to spend on top of that. But yeah, man. So, but I know people. I heard people say they got they cam swap in for around like 1,200. You feel me? Some people find it for like 2,000. You feel me? It just all is labor. You feel me? Like most of the expense come from labor. You feel me? Because when you do the cam, you basically gotta break the block down. So that's really wild. And then I say, if you do get your cam, when you do your cam swap, I feel like you need to do all that engine work at the same time, because like the labor cost shouldn't really much change. If you're doing a cam swap, you might as well do your heads, pistons. You might as well save enough money to where you get your pistons and then just forge out the engine. You know what I'm saying? Make sure your pistons are straight. That's an extra 1,000. You feel me? But it'll be all worth it in the end, because you're saving less on somebody, you know, engine hours. I mean, somebody putting in the work on your engine. So the cost of labor would be lower. But because that's what somebody told me after. They was like, damn, you should have got your heads and all put together. I was like, yeah, you right. It would have been way much cheaper, because really, like, why would you, how much extra is you really gonna charge me to change my heads and other shit, if you already have to break the engine down? You already finna be in the engine, so it's just you know what I'm saying? Like, so, but yeah, man, I say 5,000, bro. I say 5,000 get you where you need to go. You feel me? Like even like, bro, just 5,000. I say, like, bro, you could probably find it for like 3. Like if you do a more cheaper build, bro, 3 will probably get you in there. Especially if you know somebody though. I honestly, and if you know somebody that do good work, go to them, bro. Like only thing about a shop is, you feel me, it's, you know what I'm saying, you get a receipt and it's in contract, you know what I'm saying, like you could keep taking it back. But like other than that, like, bro, if you know somebody that do good work, go ahead. If you do it yourself, that's even better. Like I wish I knew how to do it myself. I'd be doing it, you feel me? So, and that's just what it is. But yeah, man, so yeah, so that's really how much it costs for me. That's how much it costs for me. I don't know about everybody else. If y'all, you feel me, if your prices was different, let me know in the comments. If y'all paid different for y'all cam swap, let me know. If mine was real high, if I got wax, whatever, you feel me, it's cool. It is what it is. But yeah, man, I hope everybody having a blessed day. I'm finna go get some grub, man, and then I will be posting this video today. Y'all stay tuned. Now I'm finna be dropping more videos. I've been working a lot lately, so that's why I couldn't really be dropping no more. I haven't been dropping videos like that. But y'all stay tuned, man. I'm out.
What a club, we done passed